In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable clear icons on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to press and hold anywhere on our iPhone lock screen until all of our applications jiggle. Now we've done this, you want to click on Edit in the top right hand corner, and in the context menu you want to select Customize. Now you see the customization screen at the bottom. From here you simply want to select the clear option, and when you do this you will see they will now all go into a clear mode. Now there are three options. You can either select dark, which is what I'm currently on, you can select light, which will put them into a light mode, or you can select auto, which will depend on the general appearance of your iPhone, whether it's in light mode or dark mode. So for the example of this video, I'm going to put it in dark mode. As a bonus tip, you can also change the background brightness by tapping the icon in the top left hand corner. And alternatively, you can also change the icon size by tapping the icon in the top right hand corner. So now we've done this, we can just tap anywhere on the home screen to exit out of the customization options, and now we can enjoy the clear icons on our iPhone. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.